Choice of indicators. We are going to study which indicator should be used for strong acid, strong base, strong acid, weak base and weak acid, and weak base and strong base. All the four conditions that we are going to study. And a plot of pH of the solution against the volume of the base of an acid or the base. Acid is called pH curve or titration curve. That means if a curve is plotted against the pH and the volume of the solution that we determined, depending upon the shape of the curve, normally in the shape of the curve there is a vertical line you get. Based on that, we can say that which indicator should be used and which are the indicators should not be used and which are the indicator commonly used. These are the three terms you should know. And where is the vertical line comes, that point is also important. Therefore, 4 points are important. First point, in the pH curve where you get the vertical line. Second point, which are the indicators that you can use. Third is which are not used. And fourth one, commonly used. Certain indicators are commonly used in titration, which are there. Therefore, based on that 4 points, the pH curve or the titration curve are very helpful in choosing the suitable indicators for different types of acid. Point number one. That means pH curve. In the most of the acid-base titration, the pH of the solution records a sharp change at the end point of the titration. That means a vertical line is obtained in the pH curve. A suitable indicator for a particular titration is one whose pH lies within the range of the pH in which the sharp change take place at the end point of the titration. We should select which indicator should be used is depending upon the sharp change. That indicator that you are using should show the change in this sharp change or the vertical line. Let us take the first point. Titration of a strong acid against a strong base. First of all, the pH curve. In this pH curve, it indicates that the sharp change is between the pH 3 to 10. This point is very important. Therefore, up to 3 to 10 is we are getting the sharp change, where any indicator which shows a change between 3 and 10 can be used for this type of titration, that is strong acid against strong base. Point number one. pH curve indicates that near the end point of the titration, the pH of the solution increases sharply from 3 to 10. Point number one. And the curve becomes almost vertical. That means the curve is almost vertical. Beyond this, the pH increases slowly and curve is almost flat. Therefore, second point, indicators which can be used for this type of titration are, which are the indicators which can be used for strong acid, strong base? 1. Phenolphthalein. 2. Methyl orange. 3. Bromothymol blue. 4. Methyl red. 4 indicators comes into this range of 3 to 10. But which are commonly used? The commonly used indicators are phenolphthalein and methyl orange. Therefore, all these 4 points must be there. The graphical representation, pH curve, where it is the straight line. And second, which are the indicators to be used? And third point, which are commonly used? And in this case, there is no point is given that the fourth point which are not to be used. In certain titration, it is clearly mentioned these indicators are not to be used in this titration because they are not going to change any color change in the pH. Within that range, what is shown in the pH curve. Second one is Titration of a weak acid against a strong base.